Hello guys, good morning. How is everyone doing this beautiful day? Hopefully it will rain today because it has been raining in Lagos for the past 3 days. So I decided to embark on the Yemmie's challenge of cooking with 1.5 for the family of 5. I'm on my way to the market now to buy things that we need in the market. So guys, come with me. Let's buy it together and cook together. So I'm in the market now, about to start shopping. Let's shop together. I got the yam for 600 naira. The fish is for 400 naira. The pepper is for 50 naira. Ugwu leaf for 100 naira. The palm oil is 100 naira. Crayfish is also 100 naira. The seasoning cube, I got this for 50 naira. I got the onions, everything is for 50 naira. So everything I have right here is 1,450 naira. So we're about to cook. Let's cook together. So the first thing I did was to peel the yam. I cut the yam into tiny pieces and put them in the pot. Then I placed the pot on the cooker and add salt and seasoning cube. Then I also add onions to the yam and cover the pot for it to cook. I think it cooked for about 10 minutes before I checked on it. Then I move over to debone the fish. I carefully removed all the tiny bones from the fish and keep that aside. When I was done with that, I checked on the yam to see if it's soft enough for me to add the other ingredients, and it was soft. So I added my pepper. I blended the scotch bonnet with the onions, so I'm adding that into the pot right now. Then I added palm oil and let it cook for a few minutes, because I really don't like the smell of the palm oil I got in the market. But I made sure that it cooked for about 10, no, not 10 minutes. I cooked for about 5 minutes before I checked on it again. After about 5 minutes, then I add the fish and the ugu leaf and cover the pot. Let it simmer for a few minutes before I eventually stop cooking. Then I use my turning stick to mash the yam into small pieces. I don't want it too big, neither do I want it too small. Just mash it a little bit. So food is ready, delicious yam pottage is ready, and this is so very yummy. You need to be in my house right now to come and have a taste of this food. It's so delicious. You will not even believe that it's just 1.5 that I used to cook this meal. It was so delicious. The funny thing about the meal is that I did not even use up all the recipe, all the ingredients I bought. I did not use up the yam. I did not finish the seasoning cube. I did not use all the pepper. So this is as well like a meal that is cooked under 1,005 naira. You need to try out this challenge by Sisi Yemmie and see what I'm talking about. So just use the hashtag cook with 1,500 for the family of 5 to participate in this challenge, and make sure to tag Sisi Yemmie while you are at it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm very much excited about this challenge, and I know that everyone enjoyed this video with me. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.